Hello everyone, Toybox here with today's project, and it's LED light door sills from EV Base. This is something I was wanting to do for a really long time with Lucy the Model 3, so I'm pumped I can finally get it done with the Cybertruck. So what's in the box? You'll have the instructions. Then you'll have some double-sided stickers for some extra grip after the magnet. Here we have the lights themselves. 2 small ones for the back, 2 large ones for the front, the motion sensors, and the power button. Super easy. Let's install them. For the installation, I'll be using some baby wipes and cleaning all down here. Then I'll be wiping that down. Afterwards, we grab the door sill, which is magnetic, but I'll also be adding a few adhesive stickers for some more grip strength. After the install, you will have a few extra stickers, so that's pretty cool. Now, we can officially install it, and we'll be good to go. I'll just give this one more wipe. Now that we are ready to go, we line it up. That looks pretty good to me from right here. We press it down so they stick on. And there you go. Now we can take the plastic off. And bam! Now that it's officially installed, when these really come alive is during the night. So you can just block the sensor and look at that. That looks cool. Okay, I can't wait to see them at nighttime. On to the back part. Same process, clean this off. Line it up. That looks pretty good to me. Press it down. Give it a little wipe, and done. Now we'll do the same on the other side. That looks awesome. So, aside from 2 different variations of illuminations rainbow style, we have 7 different stationary colors, or a couple of different startup effects. Well, that's it for this one. I truly hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you check out EV Base for the door sills and the discount code down below. Hopefully I've earned a subscription and you stick around for what's next, because I'll be installing some epic running boards as well as a couple of other different projects. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.